Alright, y is equal to minus 4 divided by x. Because that is negative, straight away you know that this graph will be in the second and fourth quadrant. However, we will draw the graph and you can see from there. But you should know that. If this is negative, it will be second and fourth quadrant. First we want the x asymptote. So now we're going to do some shortcuts. By now you know that the x asymptote, x is equal to 0. Y asymptote, I'm not doing the full work down because we've done it previously, is y is equal to 0. Then we want to find the ordered pairs. Right. Now, let's say you use minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, and you use 1, 2, 4. So, you're going to take y is equal to minus 4 over x. That means y is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4, and that will give you 1. So, you get 1. Then just like that, you're going to take minus 4 divided by minus 2. You can do this on your calculator. Minus 4 divided by minus 2 will give you 2. Minus 4 divided by minus 1 will give you 4. Then you will take y is equal to minus 4 over x, and you're going to take minus 4, you're going to divide it by 1. So you know this answer will be minus 4. You can even do that on the calculator. It will be minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 divided by 2 will give you negative 2. 4 divided by negative 4 will give you negative 1. Now you've got your ordered pairs. We are ready to draw the graph. Right, let's move over. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. This is your y-axis. It also happens to be x equal to 0. This is your x-axis. It also happens to be y equal to 0. Now, the right way to draw this graph is always to do the asymptote first. So the asymptote is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So actually the right way is we must do the asymptotes first. So there's the asymptote. Next asymptote, y is equal to 0. Right, we've done that too. Now we plot the points. Negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1. It's here. Negative 2, 2. Negative 2, 2. And negative 1, 4. So we got the shape of the graph now. The graph goes here, this way up here. Next, 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4 is here. 1, negative 4. 2, negative 2. 2, negative 2. 4, negative 1. 4, negative 1 is here. Now we got the shape of this graph. So that's your graph for y is equal to negative 4 over x. Alright, so we hope you got it right and we hope you understand how to draw these graphs. Now, I'm going to discuss one more thing now over here, and we want to know what are the axes of symmetry. So I'm going to say what are axes of symmetry. Right. So I'm going to draw the axes of symmetry in dark blue and you'll be able to see it. Axis of symmetry means a line that divides the graph half and half. So you can see clearly that this graph will be divided half and half by this line here, the 45-degree line. Right? This is a 45-degree line, or y is equal to x. So that's an axis of symmetry. It's dividing the graph half and half. Or the axis of symmetry is also this line here. This line also divides the graph half and half. This line happens to be y is equal to negative x. Or another way, it's called the 135-degree line. Alright, so these are called axes of symmetry. These lines are dividing the graph half and half. See, if this line is here, then that falls on that. If this line is here, then that falls on this and that falls on this. So they are called axes of symmetry. Right, those are the two axes of symmetry for this graph. Alright, so we're going to move on to another parabola now. We're going one step higher. This was the most basic parabola. Now we're going to go to the next parabola, which is going to be one step higher.